Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. I don't know. I'm really not good with intros, but anyway, so thanks for clicking on this video. I'm doing this outro in my jacket, and pretty much because I am running out the door. This is the look. I ended up using some new for me products, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do the title for this, but I did use the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. I'm definitely liking it. A lot of the same colors that are in a lot of palettes. I think I'm very glad for the mirror, but these bad boys were really pigmented. I did have some fallout, but no more than norm. But I like the result. I like the result. I like when I looked at a color, it transformed onto my eyelid, and I was able to blend and work with the colors, and I really like how the look came out. So definitely I just got in some brushes from a collab with like Andrew Renee and Peach and Pearl. I think they're like a makeup company, or I'm not really sure what the company, in all honesty. They're based out of the UK. But a girl that I follow, a young lady that I follow, Andrew Renee, she's a sweetheart. I used 5 out of the 6 brushes. I had planned on using the eyeliner one, but that didn't work out because I ended up using something else. What else? I ended up using, my friend gave me this. It didn't work out for her. It was too dark. The Physicians Formula butter highlighter in gold, rose gold. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. I do like it. Long story short, this is the finished result. I want to see how I got here, because it was definitely some mixing, some matching, some interesting techniques, because I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. I'm not 100% in love with my nose contour, but it's a progress. It's progress. But keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.